This is Nelji's house. Ayo. Hi Nelji. Nagansa mo? You cleaned the house? Kasi maglungag. Who will cook rice? Cow? And Nelji cleaned the house and will also cook rice. Nelji, uma! Di ba man? Dagan, lati ate yun eh. Nelji's younger brother is sleeping. Nelji, uma. Yanto na kati? Ha? Kaduol ra ono iti eh. Pangulam lang sana ako. Kulang sa kuan. Ako lang pangulam lang sana ko ba. Kaya ako raman po yung matapal sa kuan, ilistaran ako ang mga nakuan. Bye bye. Bye. So Nelji Uma did not go to the birthing center yet, because for us to be able to process Nelji's birth certificate, Nelji Uma needs to go to the birthing center where she gave birth to Nelji and ask for proof that midwife gave birth to, help Nelji Uma gave birth to Nelji. And once we have the proof, then we can start processing the birth certificate. This is Jada's house. Hi, Jada! Jada's here. Nag-visit me, Pete. Hi, Jada. And Jada's younger sister. Hi, Exie. Hi, Exie. Bili na. Bye, bye, bye. Quick visit ra. Bye, bye. Bye, te. So, and this is Teacher Jin's house. Let's see what Arjun is doing right now. Ayo!
Arjun?
Nagansa ka? Charot! Very good. Arjun is cleaning. Very good. Bye-bye. Very good, Arjun. Hi. Pretty Jade daw eh. Bye-bye. I think that's it for now. It's almost time for our study room class. Is that Shaneway?
Yeah. Oh.
Hi, Shaneway! Asa ka? Pa-load? Buy load. Bye-bye. So, Shaneway will buy load. To Jada's mom. Oh, this is Jofi's house. Jofi's bike, but I think Jofi's not here. Ira, ikay maglungag? Oh, Ira already know how to cook rice. Asa si Kuya Jofi ni mo? Laag. Jofi's not here. Jofi's outside. And you're the one cooking rice? Very good, Ira. Oy. Bye-bye.
Bye. Ayo. Ay, good morning. Naa si Eliza. Okay, school. Sir. For Eliza. Nagbilin siya og lollipop ti para kang Eliza. Dagan kayo, sige.
Bake churinin, kamsahamnida for the lollipop.
Choose daw. Pili Inday. Unsay mo Inday? Candy? How many, sir? How many, sir? Pila ka bukin?
5 pesos.
3 pieces, 5 pesos.
10.
Na siya plastic ti? Kana po, kuha nilang ti ka, po nilang plastic.
Whistle.
Whistle, sir. Candy whistle.
20. Okay ra? 20. 20 pesos only.
Unsa man mo isulti ni Victory ni Inday?
Thank you.
Na thank you.
Thank you very much.
Na thank kamsamida.
Thank you very much. 20. Thank you very much.
Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye, Anya.